Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Optimum mobile account to another person account. So all official steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started.
Please note, yes, account holders can let another person take ownership of an existing account. Both the current and the new owner must authorize an ownership transfer. Download and complete the Residential Transfer Account Ownership form and then fax mail along with the supporting documents. Supporting documents and form link is in video description box. Or you can see on your screen. Address and fax number you can also see on your screen. For the current account holder, a copy of one of the following is required, you can see on your screen. For the new account holder, a copy of one of the following is required, you can see on your screen. Once they will receive your application, they will transfer Optimum mobile account to another person after confirmation.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily transfer your Optimum mobile account to another person name. Okay, so if this video was helpful, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.